Hi guys, today we will be doing a slime tutorial and I'm very sorry my lighting is bad. I'm at my mom's house today. So your ingredients will be shaving cream, or gel, any kind of shaving material, any kind of salt, any kind of shampoo, and any kind of sparkles. Well, I forgot what these are called, but any kind of those, and a bowl. So first you will need to put as much shampoo as in there as you need. Okay, so I put in that much so far. Oh, and a stirring tool. I will be back with that. And a stirring tool. Yeah, forgot about that. But yeah, just open the salt. This. Oh, doing it the wrong way. But I don't know. But I will be using that much salt. Okay, and then just stir it up. Until it looks watery. Like until it looks like that. And now you will probably putting half of that in. Okay. And then stir that for a while. Okay, and then put all of your shaving cream where however as much as you have. And that is it. Just gonna stir it up. At this point, I might need more salt. Looking pretty good. that consistency. And then all you need to do is stir it some more, put it in the freezer all night. All night. Make sure it's all night. Oreo! Oreo, baby. Don't bite me. I'm sorry, guys. That was my cat, Oreo. It will be this kind of consistency before put it in there. This is Spooky. Very cute. She likes me rubbing her tail. I'm gonna cut this open so I'm able to get all of it. Ooh, got most of it. Now I'm gonna go at least to right here. And then just and you can use any kind of shaving cream, but for some reason it has to be men's shaving cream, which is pretty awkward. Okay, yeah. Well then, I'm just gonna rub it into my hands because after just stir for at least 10 minutes. Stir it for a while until it ends up with big bubbles on the top. 10 times that size. But just to make sure it's blended, and if you want to clean up the mess, it's not my fault. Just use a blender. And I have used this is all non-toxic. This is what I have used because you could put this in a jar and decorate it. If you want to. and give it to someone. And give it to someone, or you could put in more of that in for the right consistency, for the thickness. It's getting way thicker.